All right, we're supposed to select it's going to be a permutation, a combination, or neither, and then explain our reasoning. All right, so this one, a university president named three new officers, a vice president of finance, a vice president of academic affairs, and a vice president of student affairs. Now, how many ways can they do that? Well, if we think about that, there's a specific person. There's going to be one for finance, there's going to be one for academic affairs, and there's going to be one for student affairs. And because of that, order matters. And so I would call that one a permutation. Okay. Now, what about the next one? The university president selected two of her vice presidents to attend the dedication ceremony of a new branch campus. Now, we're just selecting two. It doesn't say which two we have to select. And so this one, really, the order doesn't matter. And so we could call that a combination because order doesn't matter in this case. Now, here, a student checked out four novels from the library. Okay, well, we're just picking four novels out of a library. We don't care what order they're in. We don't care what the novels are. And so, really, we could do a combination again for this one. All right. What about this one? A student bought four books, one for his father, one for his mother, one for his younger sister, and one for his older brother. So this case, the books that we get are specific. We're not going to give the book for his younger sister to his father, and we're not going to give the book for his mother to his brother. And so really here, order again matters. And so we're going to call that a permutation. Okay. Now, what about 35? Father ordered an ice cream cone, chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry for each of his four children. Well, this one we've got different things. We've got chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. We've got four children, and really, the order really doesn't matter. But we also don't know what the pieces are for each of the children. So really, this one comes down to we don't have enough information, and so this is going to be neither. Now, here, the next one, a book club meets monthly at the home of one of its 10 members. In December, the club selects a host for each meeting of the next year. All right. Well, this one, we kind of have a lot of information, but we don't, again, have all the necessary information. Well, we're selecting a host for each of the meetings the next year, but we don't know much of anything else. And so I'm going to say this one's neither. Now, this one almost could be a combination because, we're choosing it. But in the case it's going to be, the home of its 10 members. We've got 12 meetings next year, and so all of a sudden we're going to have two extra things we need to choose from. And so this one is neither because we don't have enough information here. Because if we only have 10 people, we have 12 meetings to select from. That's going to have a little bit of an issue there. Okay, so hopefully that kind of gives you an idea how permutations versus combinations versus neither works here. Let's come back for some more in a little bit.